Right that.
What up YouTube, this is Steeze. In today's video we're going to be going over how to do the Gunlock glitch on Modern Warfare 2 or IW4X. This is a really cool glitch, so if you guys can follow this detailed description on how we're going to do this step by step, I'm going to do it real slow for you. Post in the comments what your shots are because I'm really interested to see what you guys hit. Alright, so to do the Gunlock glitch, all you have to do is have your first class be the exact opposite of your second class. So for an example, my first class, I renamed it to OG, but as long as it's your first class, that's fine. I got my intervention sniper rifle as my primary. My secondary is going to be my javelin. So my second class is going to be the exact opposite, meaning my javelin is going to be my primary and then my intervention will be my secondary. To change your class on IW4X, all you have to do is once you're at the start menu, click edit a class right here. Make sure you edit your first class and your second class so that they're the exact opposite. I have some binds in the description, and basically all these binds are going to do is allow you to switch from one class to the other with just a click on your D-pad. If you click the little squiggly line next to your number 1 key, it'll pull up something at the very top of the screen. As you can see, it's like a little bar where you can type. You just copy and paste those two scripts into there. You hit enter and it should be good. So basically what that will do is when I press left on the D-pad, it switches to my first class. When I push down on the D-pad, it switches to my second class. As you can see there, so my second class has a javelin, so it switches to that class. And if I press left on the D-pad, it switches to my first class. So to get the Gunlock glitch, you have to make sure that you have your first class out at the moment. So make sure you just press left on the D-pad before you do this. Throw out your throwing knife, hold it, press left on the D-pad, and then let go of your throwing knife, sprint forward, and then once your sniper appears, you need to hit the knife button, down on the D-pad, and Y. So it's a little bit of a timing thing, like right there it didn't do it, but once you get the timing down, it's not hard at all. Let's try it again. Throwing knife, left D-pad, that didn't work. Throwing knife, left D-pad, sprint, knife down, Y. And I had it for a second, but round ended. But once I get it, I'll show you guys. All right, so again, we're just gonna hold the throwing knife out, press left on the D-pad, let go of the throwing knife, sprint forward until the gun comes out. Once your gun comes back out, you're gonna knife, press down on the D-pad, and then Y, pretty quickly. Just like that. So now you can see I have the Gunlock glitch. Basically, it looks like my sniper is out, but it's doing the animation of the javelin. Alright, so I got it that time. Again, it's just like a timing thing with it, but if you follow those steps, step by step, you should be able to get it. So currently I have my intervention sniper rifle out, but it is going to be doing the animation of my secondary. So my secondary is the javelin, so when I shoot and reload, it's going to reload like it would a javelin. So you can do this Gunlock glitch with any gun you want. Like if you want to do the glitch with a pistol and like shoot your pistol, but it be your intervention, you could also do that. It's a lot of different variations you can do with it. I almost hit that and the Gunlock glitch went away, but let's see if we can hit it right here. If you throw a stun, it goes away. That's where I've been messing up. Yeah, it's basically just like the animation of my secondary. Oh, I really got that almost hit. Alright, so I showed you guys earlier with the javelin. Now I'm going to show you with the Spaz 12. So my first class has got the intervention with the Spaz 12 in my secondary. The second class has got the Spaz 12 with the intervention as my secondary. There it is. So now my intervention is reloading as if I had a Spaz 12. Oh! I really just got the almost hit off of that? Come on. Ooh, got the headshot. Let's go, man. This guy, how you guys do a Gunlock glitch. There's a little barrel stuff, but hey, man, let's get it. All right, I really hope this video helped you guys learn how to do the Gunlock glitch on IW4X. If you like this video, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 4:30 to 7:30 US Eastern Time PM. So hop up in there and let's chat. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Ooh, got the headshot. Let's go, man. This guy, how you guys do a Gunlock glitch. There's a little barrel stuff, but hey, man, let's get it.